On this episode, we're stacking my Duramax and Hogies Cummins. No, we can't stack the Cummins, his wife won't let him. So we're gonna take the back rack off to start.
Hogies 1685 is here. Oh, I stopped. Hi.
Look at me, I'm a Dodge.
So we got this stack, this is the height it's gonna sit at, and this is where we're gonna put it on. So let's do it. This back rack was very useful for the time being, but a stack's gonna look lots better. Come on. There we go.
As soon as I get over there, then it goes up.
Oh yeah.
Do a little curl here.
The back rack's out, and we're gonna leave the little mounts there because they look nice, and we can tie down quads and NOS bottles. Actually, we're taking the hook off because it's kind of ugly. So I got a wrench on the bottom, and Hoagie's got pry bar on top. We're gonna mock up the stack and figure out where we want to cut a hole in the bed.
I just can't stand guys that have a stack too high at the cabin.
Well, like the Dodge owners that always have like the two outside that are like 3 feet too tall and stick out 2
just
feet.
terrible.
Like transport truck style.
Yeah.
We don't need that anymore. No, I think we want to cut this like up here. We got a professional pipe guy, aka a plumber. He's gonna do all the measuring for our exhaust.
16 or 15 inches. Oh, to there.
Top of it.
Yeah. That's the right size. Give it a bump.
One side. Okay. That did not work.
It's not a long enough socket anyways.
Right there.
This wrench isn't quite the right size.
We need a deeper socket.
I'm a Duramax. You don't like it sticking above, eh?
I hate that.
Oh, really? I do. I like it above.
That high above I could probably handle. Any higher.
No, it's gotta be below the line of the cab.
Say I hope you're feeling. I got a smile and
So this is the stack for the Cummins.
So which stack do you think I should put on my truck? The Cummins stack or the Duramax stack?
You're feeling better, and make believe it came from you.
We're putting the clamps on the exhaust now. Josh's. I'm gonna leave these up.
Okay, Jake, hop in and fire it up.
Sounds so good. Almost like a Cummins. Now we're actually gonna fire this Duramax up.
Fire this thing.
The injector's not a big deal.
It's just doing the cold Duramax thing. They all do it. We got mail. It's from Merchant Automotive. This parcel is from Charlie from Merchant Automotive, and we're gonna cut it open and put it on the truck. Let's see what it is. Because we don't know what it is. We don't know what it is. Maybe it's like a stack of injectors or who knows what.
Your truck needs those, right?
Maybe it's like a CP3.
Your
Maybe
truck
it's like
needs
a
that, right?
C3PO.
Oh, it's a nice color. Kubota orange. Kubota orange. Y'all ready for this?
Whoa, it's a bumper.
What? It's a brace for the man mission.
You're getting braces?
Yeah. This brace is to support the tailstock of the transmission of the ZF. You can also get a version for the Allison. It holds the transfer case on the 4x4 pickup trucks in case of a bad U-joint or of it going out and failing while driving. It'll reduce the vibrations so that the tailstock of the transmission doesn't crack, causing thousands of dollars worth of damage. So basically how I got this was I contacted Merchant Automotive and I told them I did this swap, what's the #1 thing to do? And they told me this brace is #1. So here we have it. So as far as I know, this will bolt on like so. It kind of holds the back of the, this will go on the back of the transfer case and this will go on the back of the transmission. And see if I can hold it like so. It uses all the factory bolts, so it'll use 2 bolts out of the top of the transfer case here and 4 out of the back of the transmission here. And it's really nice because it uses all the factory hardware. You just pull it out, put some Loctite on, put it back in, and torque it all to spec. And all the hardware on this truck is going to be like perfect because we totally live in Florida, not North America, with all this rust and salt on the roads. We got to break those crusty nuts free. And here's how you install it. So actually, we're gonna put this on. It's 4 bolts on the transmission side and 2 bolts on the transfer case side. And just kind of bolts in like that. So let's do it. Make sure you torque them to spec when you're done. If I can get under here.
Ready? Yep.
Alright, so all the bolts that you need to take out and reinstall are 10 mils. I use this 3-foot bar with an adapter down to a 10 and another adapter to this 3/8 ratchet, just because that's what was the easiest and the first thing I found. The reason you use the long one is to get up on top of the transmission, get the top 4 bolts of the transmission out, and then just use just the 10 mil on the ratchet to get the back top 2 out of the transfer case. I'll give you a shot of what it looks like in there. Once I squeeze under,